Synchrony Bank Rooms to Go Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you've used a Rooms to Go credit card through Synchrony Bank, the app promises to simplify payments, track rewards, and manage financing, but how well does it perform? One of the biggest pros is account visibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking credit card apps only show balances. The Synchrony Bank app lets you track purchases, view outstanding balances, and make payments directly from your phone. You can also monitor financing plans for furniture purchases, making it easier to stay on top of your budget. The app also includes alerts and reminders for payment due dates, preventing late fees. Rewards points, if applicable, are displayed clearly, and promotional offers are highlighted for easy access. Security features like biometric login and encryption protect your personal information. However, there are cons. Some users report that transaction updates can be delayed, and the interface can feel confusing when switching between multiple financing plans. Advanced features, such as detailed statements or tax documentation, may require logging into the desktop portal. In conclusion, the Synchrony Bank Rooms to Go app is ideal for cardholders who want a mobile-friendly way to manage furniture financing, track spending, and avoid missed payments. The surprising truth is that while it handles daily account management effectively, more detailed tasks still benefit from the full website. For anyone using Rooms to Go financing, this app offers a practical, secure, and convenient solution for managing purchases and payments on the go.